he is so adept at finishing in the low post.
Timberwolves passing it around. Garnett backing down. Fader on the way. That's good. Garnett's got 13 points in just this quarter.
What an excellent performance from the field for him.
Wade dishes to Jones. Back to Wade. And there's the pass to Jones. A three. A rebound by the Timberwolves. And now Minnesota on the fast break. Garnett. He's guarded by Mourning.
What a game for Garnett. He's got 12 rebounds and some big-time point production as well.
Let's just take a moment to appreciate the all-around effort that he's put in here today.
The numbers tell the story, Steve. He is filling up just about every column of that box sheet.
Anderson, he's checked in for Jones. Jones kicks to Wade. Back to Jones. It's the three-point bomb. Jones has got 5.
That's his first triple of the game. It was a dry first half for him from long range.
Back to Garnett. Jones with it. He's got 5. Here's Wade. Anderson outside. He passes to Mourning. Anderson dishes to Mourning. Wade kicks to Mourning. Garnett inside. Wade is covering. KG, that's good. Garnett's got 31 points.
He has really punished these defenders today. No matter who's been on him, he's been giving them medicine.
And Anderson kicks to Wade. Outside, Jones. It is now to O'Neal. Oh, that one had the right spin on it, and it is good. O'Neal's got 4 points in the quarter.
It looks like he's finding his touch now because the shots are starting to fall.
Here's Sprewell. And another 3 for Minnesota.
That is some real serious dime drop in there. Exquisite assist.
Outside, Jones. Wade fires. Rebound by Johnson. Johnson's got 3 rebounds now in this one.
Such a solid performance for them inside. The rebounding has been terrific.
Yeah, that's just one of the few things that have gone their way today.
The Timberwolves have attempted 11 free throws today and converted 8 of them. The Heat trail by 19. Wade gets a screen from O'Neal. Wade passes to O'Neal. That falls. Nice feed that time from Dwayne Wade. Wade's got 3 assists now in this one. Oh, and a fast break for the Heat. And a dunk to finish it off. A beauty.
Textbook example there of how to use defense to create offense.
Yeah, beautiful transition point after the steal all the way to the basket.
Wasted no time going from defense to offense.
Well, it feels like they're starting to pick up the intensity as the game itself starts to get a little more tight and close. That'll lead